Hi, and welcome to Judge Joe for You. In today's story, we'll be discussing one of my personal favorite celebrations here in India, the festival of Holi, filled with color and love and good food and sometimes good cold water. There's different ways we can celebrate this festival. Let's see how a little boy named Raj found his own gentle way to celebrate it. Shall we begin? It was Holi morning. Outside, everyone went, Happy Holi! Dhum, dhum went the drums, whoosh went the pitchkaris, splash, splosh went the buckets, and pop, pop went the water balloons. Pink powder puffed into the sky, blue water sprayed everywhere, and yellow clouds floated around in the air. But little Raj did not smile, because for little Raj, the sounds were too loud, the colors were too bright, and the splashes were just too cold. His ears felt buzzy like a bee. His eyes felt squinty from neon pink and shiny green. His heart went thump 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 thump. Someone shouted behind him, Raj! He jumped. Another balloon burst. Pop! The drum moved again. Thum, thum, thum. His head felt full. His body felt tight. It was splashy, crashy, flashy, and noisy. I don't like it, he whispered. He ran inside and hid behind Grandma. Grandma did not shout. She did not splash. Instead, she bent down slowly. Too loud? She asked softly. Too bright? She said lovingly. And too splashy? Raj nodded to all of this, and with each nod, Grandma smiled. Come, let's make our calm color club, she said. Grandma carried a small table to a quiet corner of the veranda. She spread a clean cloth on it and brought little bowls of soft, natural colors. She placed rose petals in a basket and kept a tiny paintbrush next to her. No drums here, no balloon pops, only soft colors. Outside was still boom, bang, splash, crash. But in this corner, it was calm. His grandma held out her hand. Will you paint colorful dots on me? She asked. Raj dipped the brush into pink. One dot, then the yellow, another dot, and then blue, dot, dot, dot. Grandma's hand had soon become a tiny rainbow garden. She giggled softly. That tickles, Raj. He smiled. His shoulders relaxed. His breathing slowed. There were no loud surprises, no splash attacks, just swish, dot, and a giggle. Then Grandma said, Oh, let's paint rainbows on the veranda wall. And together, paint they did a red curve, orange curve, and a yellow curve. Slowly, carefully, a big, beautiful rainbow appeared. Then another and another. Soon the wall glowed with soft stripes of happy color. Some cousins peeked in. Wow, this is so colorful. Can we join the Calm Color Club? They asked quietly. And they came in and painted quietly too. No shouting, no splashing, just soft strokes, happy smiles, and bright rainbows. By afternoon, the veranda wall was full of color and you could feel the friendship and warmth. Raj's cheeks were clean, his clothes were dry, and his heart felt warm and light. He looked at Grandma's dotted hand. Happy Holi, he said. Because if you don't like it, then Holi does not have to be boom, bang, and splash. Sometimes it can be dot, dot, swish. And that too can also be the most wonderful kind of colorful Holi. So if we feel like it, let's celebrate the festival differently. Have a colorful Holi. Bye bye, and see you next time.